Hi friends. Welcome to Chonuk's Tech channel. Today I am going to show you how to enable developer option in Samsung A50 phone. Go to the settings of the phone. Scroll down to bottom and find the About phone in here. Select it. Then you can see like this window. Select the software information from this list. Touch 7 times on the build number. Now you are the developer of the phone. Go back to 2 times. Now you can see developer option enable in here. You can disable developer option anytime by clicking off button in here. Friends, if this video helps you, please click the subscribe button to see more videos like this and give a like. Have a nice day.